Pima County Public Library presents Story Sketches. Today's sketch is The Three Little Woodpeckers and the Big Bad Bobcat. Once upon a time, 3 little woodpeckers left the nest to find homes of their own. The first woodpecker flew to a Baja fairy duster. It had beautiful flowers. "My home will be the prettiest of them all," he thought. He built his nest from the Baja fairy duster. The second woodpecker landed on a blue yucca. It had spiky leaves, but was easy to move. "My home will be easy to build, and then I can take a nap," she thought. She built her nest from the blue yucca. The third woodpecker perched on a saguaro cactus. It was tall and strong, with long needles everywhere. "My home will take a long time to build, but it will keep me safe," she thought. She built her nest from the saguaro cactus. Along came a big, bad bobcat. He loved to eat birds, especially woodpeckers. When he came to the Baja fairy duster house, he knocked on the door. little bird, let me come in," he purred. "Not by the feathers on my chinny chin chin," chirped the first woodpecker. So the big, bad bobcat huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the Baja fairy duster house down. The first woodpecker flew away to his sister's blue yucca house. The big, bad bobcat followed. little bird, let me come in," he purred. "Not by the feathers on my chinny chin chin," chirped the second woodpecker. So the big, bad bobcat huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the blue yucca house down. The first and the second woodpeckers flew away to their sister's saguaro cactus house. The big, bad bobcat followed. little bird, let me come in," he purred. "Not by the feathers on my chinny chin chin," chirped the third woodpecker. So the big, bad bobcat huffed, and he puffed, but something surprising happened. The third woodpecker had pulled out some of the long needles from her saguaro cactus home. When the big, bad bobcat tried to huff and puff, she threw the needles at the bobcat, and they scratched his ears and whiskers. "Ouch!" shouted the big, bad bobcat, and he ran away. The 3 little woodpeckers lived happily ever after in the big, spiky saguaro cactus. The end.